Audio CD 1, track 57, word focus. 1. Round trip. I'd like to buy a round-trip ticket from Los Angeles to New York.
2. Express. I sent the package by express mail. You should get it tomorrow morning.
3. Compartment. I think our seats are in compartment 6. Check the tickets.
4. Sleeper car. If we get sleeper car tickets, the train ride will be more comfortable.
5. Regular. I'll have a regular coffee with cream.
6. Guaranteed. At this restaurant, your satisfaction is guaranteed.
7. Depart. What time does the next bus to Detroit depart?
8. Platform. Don't stand too close to the edge of the platform.
9. Complicated. Your directions sound complicated. Could you write them down?